Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started on step 106. Step 106 is going to be an interesting step. We're going to use things that we already know how to do, and what we're going to do is we're going to replace the general links. If we refresh, we'll see what I mean if you watch it. There you saw it get replaced. We're doing an AJAX call out to our WordPress site, and we're bringing these back in. As far as code changes go, there's not a whole heck of a lot, and that's part of the idea, is that we see how quickly and easily we can reuse code and do things. In our index page, all we're doing is we're going to update the existing UL to have an ID in it, and then from there we'll go ahead in our app.js, and what we're going to do is we're going to actually make a copy of this AJAX call, and then we're going to paste it, and we're going to modify it to work for our general links. Change our menu, change our target where we're sending things, and we actually get rid of this in this step. Shouldn't be there, not sure why it is, and then we do a little bit of modification to our menu builder. And the reason we do this is because we use the object to pass in the actual menu, and what it outputs is, if we look over here, is just a UL and then the list items in it. And what we need is for that UL to be dynamic enough that we can pass in a target if we need to, or a class if we need to. You don't always have to pass it in, because the way that they are, they'll just come in as blank. These are shorthanded if statements that we're learning about today, and pretty cool. And then what happens is it will output the UL, and UL with the target, with the ID and the class. So exciting step, fairly easy, and we will get right to it. So we'll see you in the next video.